Over the years, we've tried out multiple dashcams, from budget-friendly dashcams to top-of-the-line flagship dashcams. But today, there's a new dashcam in town that has a very unique setup. So this is the new flagship dashcam from DDPAI. They call this the DDPAI Z90 Master. And I have this 3-channel set right here, which gives you 4K for the front, 4K for the rear, and even a 3K interior camera with infrared IR low light capabilities. That way, even if it is pitch dark, you can still see inside your interior. Now, this dashcam is not cheap at all. In fact, it's definitely one on the pricier side. But I'm gonna run you through its features and tell you why exactly it is worth its price. So let me run you through the basics first of this DDPAI Z90 Master. So since it is a 3-channel dashcam, you're gonna have multiple cameras inside your car. So one is this one, the main unit. This is your front camera. Then there's also this 3K interior camera, which will be mounted at the center top of your windshield. This one will cover most of the interior of your vehicle. And then you also have that rear camera there at the back. Again, that also shoots 4K. And installation, it's relatively simple, but just in case you're not that great with DIYs, DDPAI actually has a lot of installers, not just in Metro Manila, but throughout the country. Now, there's also the optional 4G kit and hardwire kit. So the 4G kit, we've already placed it over here. That 4G kit lets you control your dash cam even from your phone through your app, even if you are not inside the vehicle. So for as long as you have a SIM card right there with an existing data plan, you can access your dash cam from anywhere and even monitor it. GPS, you can even use a very cool function where you can actually use an intercom mode where you can talk to someone inside the vehicle and they can also answer back to you all through the dashcam and the app too. Now, there's also the optional hardwire kit, and there's 2 ways of using it. There's one that taps into your fuse box, and there's another one that taps simply to your OBD port. Now, this doesn't work for all vehicles. Some vehicles will not accept that OBD port hardwire kit because there are times when your car does turn off, but it doesn't turn off the dashcam and doesn't let it enter the 24/7 parking surveillance mode. So be sure to check which one will be compatible with your vehicle. For this test that we have right here with my Toyota Fortuner, we opted for the fuse box tap, and yeah, so far it is working very well. We've also made use of the 24/7 parking surveillance function. So there's multiple modes to this too. You can use a time-lapse mode, or you can even use one that uses G sensors for collision detection. So just in case someone bumps into your car, the dash cam will automatically trigger and capture a video of that. And it will do it not just for the front cam, not just for the interior cam, but of course also for the rear cam. That way you have utmost security inside your vehicle, even if you leave it outside and overnight. Right, now let's talk about the dash cam itself. So this is the DDPAI Z90 Master, and as you can see, it has a very huge screen on it, at least for dash cam standards. And over here, once you have everything wired up, you can actually cycle through your cameras just by the press of a button right here. So you have your front camera, you have your rear camera, and then you also have your front camera over here. You can also configure a lot of your settings directly through this dash cam, including your advanced driver assist functions. Also, this even has something like a lead car departure warning. So if the car in front of you moves, for example, it will let you know, and you can even adjust the sensitivity of that. You can also do that through the app too if you prefer to do so. Now, what I really like about this dash cam compared to a lot of the dash cams in the market is this doesn't actually use a lithium-ion battery. So since it is very hot here in the Philippines, you want something that will last. So instead of having a battery, it actually has a super capacitor inside. So what exactly does this work for? Well, if it's very hot, batteries degrade over time, but a supercapacitor doesn't. So what exactly does it do? Well, once you turn off your vehicle, the dashcam isn't supposed to turn off immediately. It's supposed to still, record and make sure that everything is safe. That's where that battery or supercapacitor comes in. And if you have a very reliable supercapacitor over here, you know that your dashcam can last for a very long time. Now, another huge function of this DDPAI Z90 Master is that it actually comes with 128 gigs of built-in memory. So we also know that for CCTVs and for dashcams, one of the biggest pain points of it is the very moment your SD card, for example, conks out, well, you lose your data. But for this one, while it can still support up to 512 gigs of a micro SD card, the built-in storage right there, make sure that your data, it's always safe inside. Additionally, you have dual Starvis 2 sensors for the front and the rear camera, which really makes sure that you have the best image quality, not just for the daytime, but also for the nighttime. And we've tried this out both during the daytime and the nighttime. And I mean, even if you're moving, even if it's very dark outside, you still see everything. Since you have 4K for the front and the back, you can really zoom in on those license plates and everything is just crystal clear. Additionally, this DDPAI Z90 Master even comes with this polarizing filter, and I've never seen this in under the dash cam. So what that polarizing filter does is that you kind of just screw it onto the lens itself, and it makes sure that you don't have any sort of haze or reflection from your image here through the windshield. This is especially for those with really bad car tints. You get a lot of that haze and that reflection, but that polarizing filter really removes it. And then now this interior camera over here, it's also really cool because usually it would shoot in just a regular colored video. But if it detects that everything is just pitch black inside your vehicle, it can automatically change to an IR mode, wherein it's gonna go a bit like black and white, like grayscale, but it makes sure that every detail on the inside can still be seen. So this is great, for example, if you're a TNVS driver, a Grab driver, for example, and you need to make sure that you're always protected from baseless claims and accusations, for example, from your passenger, this interior dash cam will definitely save the day for you. And of course, that rear camera, again, very clear. That's also really good. Just in case someone rear ends you, you will always have everything you will need for presentation if someone sues you. And you know, another pain point that we would usually have with our dash cams, that when we want to review footage and save it to our phones, yeah, sure, a lot of brands nowadays, they have apps that you can use, but the transfer speed is pretty low. But since the DDPAI Z90 Master uses 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, it actually is super quick when you transfer videos. I mean, still, it is still a 4K video, so it still is relatively large, but it definitely is a lot faster in terms of transfer speeds compared to what you get with lesser dash cams. So you can easily save that to your phone and have it ready for presentation to the police, for example, or anything like that. Now, the emergency recording videos that you also have with this, you can also adjust the sensitivity of that. So for example, if it detects that you get into a collision, it will automatically take a video and photo too. That doesn't easily get overwritten. So for example, if someone threatens you to delete it, well, it's not that easy to delete. I mean, technically there is a way to do it, but even if you put it inside your computer, for example, you can't just easily modify or delete that footage. So that's a very cool feature that this dash cam has. It really is a good companion when you are on the road and you want the best of the best. Again, it is so far the clearest dash cam we've tried, and it is also probably one of the most premium dash cams we've tried. So if you're looking for like a budget meal dash cam, this definitely isn't it. If you're just looking for a dash cam just to get license plates and they're a bit nearer to you, or you don't mind not seeing them in case it is too dark, then sure, go try other dash cams. But if you really want to have perfect evidence at all times, the DDPAI Z90 Master is the dash cam to get. And we'll also put the links down below in the description in case you want to pick up and keep yourself protected at all times.